यहाँ उपस्थित प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। आज हम यहाँ देश के आज़ादी के लड़ाई के महानायक नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की जयंती को मनाने के लिए जुटे हैं। आज का दिन पूरा देश पराक्रम दिवस मना रहा है। भारतीय सरकार ने वर्ष 2021 में सुभाष चंद्र बोस की जयंती को पराक्रम दिवस के तौर पर मनाने की घोषणा की थी। सुभाष चंद्र बोस एक संपन्न हिंदू परिवार में जन्मे थे। 23 जनवरी 1877 को ओडिशा में हुआ था। उनका पिता का नाम जानकीनाथ बोस और माता प्रभावती देवी थे। उनके भारतीय स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के एक अलग स्थान और कोई नहीं ले सकता और उन्होंने माँ भारत के रक्षा के लिए उनके जीवन को बलिदान दिया। साथियों, आज के युवा बोस के व्यक्तित्व से प्रेरणा लेते हैं। आज का दिन उनके विचार पूरा भारतीय जनताओं के दिलों में बसे हुए हैं। साथियों, आज का दिन हमें नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस के व्यक्तित्व, जीवन, त्याग और बलिदान से सीख लेने का दिन है। उनके आदर्शों पर चलने का संकल्प लेना चाहिए। इसको कहकर मैं अपनी भाषण को समापन करना चाहूँगी। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।
A very good morning to each and everyone. This is Kaushik from class 9. Today I am here to speak few words about Subhash Chandra Bose. The words of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose: "Give me your blood and I shall give you freedom," motivated countless Indian youngsters to take up the arms and fight against British colonial rule. Netaji was one of the prominent heroes of India's independence struggle. Referred fondly as Netaji, he fought for independence throughout his life and within the country and abroad. Owing to the legendary freedom fighters' extraordinary contribution to the India's independence struggle, the government designated Netaji's birthday as Parakram Divas in 2021. The purpose of Parakram Divas is to develop a sense of patriotism in the hearts of Indians and especially the younger generations to act with courage when faced with challenges. It is believed that he died in a plane crash on 18th August 1945, but his death still remains a mystery, and he will be always counted as one of the greatest martyrs of the country. And Netaji remains one of the most famous freedom fighters of India and is remembered to this day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anisha Gowda SM. Today I'm telling to you Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was freedom fighter. Thank you.
Happy morning, children. Yes. In our country, India, we have many leaders, many great leaders actually, who sacrificed their life for our country's freedom. And one of the greatest sons is Subhash Chandra Bose. He is known as Netaji. Parakram Divas is called the Day of Valor, where Netaji played a significant role and is remembered to this day. And Netaji's bold speeches are such a bold speeches which inspired countless Indian youngsters to fight against the Britishers. Netaji was the first member in Indian National Congress, and he was the first in hoisting our national flag in 3 islands belonging to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And on this day, flag hoisting is done on the large scale in their islands. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birth anniversary is celebrated by hoisting our national flag and garlanding his statue in schools and colleges.
Whenever we hear the name Subhash Chandra Bose, the first thing that comes to our mind is a popular saying by him, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा." Subhash Chandra Bose, popularly known as Netaji, was a great military freedom fighter and a patriot. His father, Janaki Nath Bose, was a well-known lawyer of his time. His mother, Prabhavati Devi, was a religious woman. Subhash Chandra Bose, known for his role in India's independence movement, a participant of the non-cooperation movement and leader of the Indian National Congress. He was part of the more military wing and known for his advocacy of socialist policies. He authored the book The Indian Struggle, which covers the independence movement from 1920 to 1942. Then the book was banned by the British government. He coined the term Jai Hind. The unceasing endeavor of Subhash Chandra Bose came to an end with his demise. Throughout his life, he strived to free his motherland from the shackles of slavery and sacrificed himself on the altar of duty. He suffered third-degree burns in a plane crash and died on 18th August 1945 in a hospital in Taiwan. His charisma and powerful personality inspired many people into the freedom struggle and inspired Indians, and he continues to inspire Indians. Jai Hind. Next, Lance Corporal Rohini will be continuing the speech.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist who defiance among British India and became hero among many Indians. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 into wealthy, privileged and large Bengali family in Odisha. During British Raj, Netaji was sent to England to pursue his civil service examination and returned to India in 1921. He successfully completed his civil service examination with distinction in first attempt. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose joined Indian National Army led by Mahatma Gandhi and did not support British India. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was imprisoned 11 times for his ideologies against British India. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was the founder of Indian National Army. This day is also known as Parakram Divas. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Not given, it is taken. This approach summed up Netaji Bose all his life. His Indian National Army shook up the British Empire at roots. Netaji referred to a proactive approach to draw the British away. Jai Hind.
Cadet Abhay Surya P from grade 8. I am going to talk few quotes about Subhash Chandra Bose. Get up, we have no time to lose. So Netaji's speeches were inspiring. He used to encourage the youth to participate in the freedom struggle. He used to say, hey, we have no time to waste as we have to push the Britishers out of the country as soon as possible. Jai Hind.
A true soldier needs both military and spiritual training. Men, money and materials cannot by themselves bring us freedom or liberty. We must have immense power which will inspire us to do the brave deeds to our country. Jai Hind.
There is no struggle, no risk taken. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose believed that challenges help to explore about self. Struggles and hardship are inevitable in life as they help to deal a person with life in such a way he or she have never thought before. Jai Hind.
We should have one desire today, the desire to die so that India will live forever, said by Netaji. During the time of freedom struggle, Netaji the youth to fight for our country. He implored the youth to join hands in driving the British out. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Patriotism is not a word, not matter of words, but of deeds. Patriotism means love, devotion towards a country or a state. This attachment towards the country is also a feeling such as language of a homeland. Thank you.
Educated. I am Barrow, serving as Company Sergeant Major in NCC. I extend a warm welcome you to a special presentation on this Parakram Day on 23rd January. Today, we embark on a journey to honor the undying spirit of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And in giving touch to our performance, here we have Iron Officer as Corporal Karthik, Undercover Operator Lance Corporal Omar Kamal will portray a remarkable Netaji.
Today, we honor not just the value of our past, but the undying flame that calls us to every Indian. This day is a testament to our collective courage and resilience. Parade! तो कदम आगे चल! Parade! तो कदम आगे चल! Give me blood and I'll give you freedom. Jai! In this echoes of Jai Hind, let this slogan be a symbol of courage and unity. Jai Netaji! Netaji, your call for blood and freedom resonates in our heart. Today, as we stand together, we pledge to carry this spirit forward, ensuring that sacrifice made shall never go in vain.
Jai Netaji, your words have made a flame of courage and unity. This slogan not just as a salute, but also as a verification.
Netaji claimed is a powerful cause to sacrifice community harm, highlighting collaboration of individual communities for collective achievement of freedom. The children and school community to pay homage to Netaji, a greatest of greatest leaders. I invite both students and teachers to stand together for the present day.